This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Loren VanCorbach. Tremendous opportunity to get into the rental market or expand your portfolio. This nearly new Lynden duplex is turnkey and offers a nice and open floor plan, 3 beds plus 2 baths, a double-car garage, no step entry, stainless steel appliances, washers and dryers, a covered patio, and a fully fenced yard. The rental market in Lynden is on fire with historically low vacancy rates coupled with rapidly increasing rental rates. Don't miss out on this great low-maintenance investment opportunity that provides strong and consistent returns. For more information, review the details below.